Hello guys, Edwin here, and today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on the Lisk Airdrop. Okay, so guys, this airdrop is very underfarmed. Okay, the users are less than 40,000 users, and compared to the money they've assigned aside for the airdrop, guys, this is very huge. They've assigned 15 million Lisk tokens up for grabs. Okay, and this airdrop is something we don't have to fade. Okay, we have to do it because everything is free. Okay, so what is Lisk? Lisk is a layer 2 blockchain boosting Web3 adoption in emerging markets on Ethereum with scalable tech, founder support, and true interoperability. Okay, so let's check how much one token Lisk is. Okay, so this is the price of one token. Okay, the team already has a token out. Okay, since it's a layer 2 blockchain, it was created a very long time ago. So this is the price of one token. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the airdrop. Okay, so before we start, you just have to visit this. Go ahead and copy this link. I'm going to be using my OKX Web3 wallet. I imported my MetaMask into my OKX Web3 wallet since it's very convenient for me. I prefer using OKX Web3 wallet. You can go ahead and use any wallet of your choice. Bitget, Binance Web3 wallet, your PC. You just have to install your MetaMask extension in your PC. Okay, so any wallet you prefer. Okay, so after copying this link, just visit your wallet. Let me switch to my OKX wallet. Visit this site. When you visit the site, connect your wallet. Okay, I have imported my MetaMask wallet, so all I have to do is click on connect. Okay, it has been connected. So after connecting, click on verify with guild. Okay, when you get on guild, click on sign in. I'm using my OKX wallet, so I have to click on OKX. Okay, view page. Have a Gitcoin passport with 13 score in unique humanity. See guys, with this Gitcoin passport, it's very easy. Okay, you can do some simple task and get a Gitcoin passport. Okay, if you want to get a Gitcoin passport, you have to visit my my channel. Okay, when you visit my channel, you see it there. Let me go ahead and show you my channel. This is how you can get your Gitcoin passports. When you get to my channel, search Gitcoin passports, or you can just type Gitcoin. Okay, when you get here, I'll be leaving the link in the description too. Okay, copy this link and visit the website. Okay, so this is how you are going to get 20 plus Gitcoin passport, but you only need 13 to perform in the Lisk airdrop. Okay, I paid $1 to get an extra 16 from Binance. Okay, you import your MetaMask into your Binance wallet and perform that task. When you want to get a Binance Gitcoin, you can connect your Gmail, Discord account, Truster Labs, your guild admin. You have to be an admin. You create a guild on a guild page on guild. That's all. Okay, LinkedIn account and the Binance. Okay, to get 20 Gitcoin score. Okay, so make sure you go ahead and read this to be able to to be able to accumulate more Gitcoin passport to be able to participate in the airdrop. Okay, so let's go back. You can see my own has been ticked because I have a Gitcoin passport of I think about 19. Yeah, so after doing this, go back. Okay, mint, and this is their NFT. It's not by force to get it. Okay, it's optional. If you get it, you are just going to get more allocation than people who don't mint it. So let's go. Have at least 30 followers on X. I do have 30 followers on X. My Twitter, I have I think 100 followers on my X account. You can also join You can also download your Discord and make sure you have an older Discord account. Okay, have a GitHub. My GitHub is also old. My GitHub is I think 4 years old now. Okay, we can also complete this captcha. You can go ahead and complete this captcha to be able to join the guild, okay, and participate in the Lisk Airdrop. So you can see everything here is ticked. Okay, you can see everything here is ticked. Let's go ahead and follow them, and okay, we have to join their Discord now. Okay guys, so I couldn't find, the team didn't link any Discord server in the guild quest. Okay, so you have to search for it, but I'll be leaving the link in the description. Okay, so don't worry, click on it and make sure you join their Discord server. Okay, you have to get just 2 of the tasks, so there's no need to get a, you're not by force to get a humanity score. Okay, you can perform other tasks. Okay, so let's try and send a message in here and see if we have any kind of role. Okay, let's take this. Let's see if we have the list role already, since we have joined. Okay, I have the role, so let me go back and verify on guild. Okay, click on verify. And make sure guys, when you come on guild, make sure you've linked all your socials. Okay, link every social. You can see I just got it. Okay, so we are good to jump in the airdrop now. Okay, that's all for now. So after verifying and completing all these quests on guild, you have to go back and visit the Lisk Airdrop portal. This is the actual portal. Okay, so let's go ahead and visit the portal. Connect wallet, MetaMask. Okay, so here we need a code. I don't have a code, so I'll be using the code the Lisk team gave us, but I'll be dropping my code in the description. Okay, so guys, make sure you use it so you help me in return. So thank you very much if you use my code. Okay, you can see I just got access to the airdrop. So when you get here, go on airdrop, and you can see I just signed up and I have 0 of everything. This is my referral code, so I appreciate you using it. I'll be leaving it in the description below. Don't forget to use my referral code. Okay, here there are so many things we can do. There are so many things we can do to get points. Okay, you can deposit Lisk, hold any amount. You can just deposit 1, that's $1.47. okay, you can deposit it. I'll be doing all the tasks. Okay, you can deposit, you can do this, just hold 1 USDT. Look at the number of points you are getting, and when you have the NFT, you have 500 points just for the NFT. Okay, you can also do a daily visit to claim, but most of their tasks require funds. Okay, most of their tasks require funds, and I can do a few of them, but I won't be doing all. You can follow them on X to claim points. Have the Gitcoin. You see, I just got 300 points for doing the Gitcoin task. Okay, so they'll be bringing new tasks soon, but make sure you're able to complete these ones. Okay, hold any amount of it. Very simple. You can even send 0.50 amount of Ethereum to your wallet. Okay, so make sure you join my Telegram too. I'll be updating you guys anytime a new task goes live. Okay, don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and comment if you face any issues down below. Okay, thank you for watching. Peace.